Dear students, welcome to Sharma's tutorial. My name is Vishnu Sharma. So today discuss about the topic abbreviations for ICT. So the most important abbreviations, it's related with the information and communication technology. So dear students, let's start the session. So the first abbreviation, ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logic Unit. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logic Unit. Next, ARPANET. It's the most important abbreviation, ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Third one, ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So first one, ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logic Unit. Then second one, ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Third, ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next abbreviation, BCD. BCD stands for Binary Coded Decimal. BCD stands for Binary Coded Decimal. It's very important. BCD stands for Binary Coded Decimal. Next one is BIOS. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. It's very important. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. Next, the common abbreviation, CD. CD stands for Compact Disc. CD stands for Compact Disc. Next one, CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. This abbreviation is most of the time asked question. So CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Next one, DBA. So what are the expansion word of DBA? Database Administration. DBA stands for Database Administration. It's very important. DBA stands for Database Administration. Next one, it's also related, DBMS. 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 DBMS stands for Database Management System. DBA stands for Database Administration. DBMS stands for Database Management System. That can be managed. Okay, DBMS can be managed. Okay, DBMS stands for Database Management System. Next, DOS. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. Okay, DOS stands for Disk Operating System. Next one, DSL. Okay, DSL. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. Okay, DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. Okay, DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. Next one, DVD. So DVD related, Digital Versatile Disc. Okay, DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. So one more again, ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logic Unit. ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Then third one, ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next, BCD. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. Next, BIOS. BIOS stands for basic input output system. Next, CD. It's a familiar compact disc. Then seventh one, CPU. CPU stands for central processing unit. Then next, DBA. DBA stands for database administration. Next, DBMS. DBMS stands for database management system. Next, DOS. DOS stands for disk operating system. Next, DSL. DSL stands for digital subscriber line. Next one, DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile disk. So next, DSL means digital subscriber line and DVD stands for digital versatile disk. Next, it's very important, EEPROM. Okay, EEPROM. EEPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. Next one, EEPROM. Okay, EEPROM. EEPROM. EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for electrically erasable program read-only memory. Next, EXE. EXE. EXE stands for executable. EXE stands for executable. Okay, EXE stands for executable. Next one, FTP. Okay, very important, FTP. FTP stands for file transfer protocol. FTP stands for file transfer protocol. Next, so familiar now, GIF. GIF stands for graphics interchange format. Okay, GIF stands for graphics interchange format. Graphics interchange format. Next one, GPS. GPS. GPS stands for global positioning system. Okay, global positioning system. GPS stands for global positioning system. Next, GUI. GUI stands for graphical user interchange. GUI stands for graphical user interchange. Next one, HTTP. HTTP, it's very important, familiar, HTTP. HTTP stands for hypertext transfer protocol. This is a protocol one. Okay, HTTP stands for hypertext transfer protocol. Next one is HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Next one, HTTPS. HTTPS stands for hypertext transfer protocol secure. Hypertext transfer protocol secure. So it's very important. Okay, once more, DSL stands for digital subscriber line. Okay, DSL stands for digital subscriber line. DVD stands for digital versatile disk. EEPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. EXE, executable. FTP stands for file transfer protocol. Then GIF stands for graphics interchange format. Next, GPS. GPS stands for global positioning system. Next, GUI, graphical user interchange. Next, HTTP. HTTP stands for hypertext transfer protocol. Next one, HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Next one, HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So moving on, next one, IP. IP stands for Internet Protocol. So IP is very important. IP stands for Internet Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. JPG. Okay, it's very important. JPG. Joint Photographic Expert Group. Joint Photographic Expert Group. JPEG. Joint Photographic Expert Group. Next one, LCD. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. Next one, LED. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. Next one, malware. It's very important. Malware. Okay, malware. Malware stands for malicious software. Malware stands for malicious software. It's very important. Malware stands for malicious software. Next one, MMS. Okay, this is very familiar. MMS. MMS stands for Multimedia Message Services. Multimedia Message Services. MMS stands for Multimedia Message Service. Next, it's a common used term in ICT, modem. Modem means modulate and demodulate. Okay, modulate and demodulate. Modulate and demodulate. Next one, OCR. OCR stands for Optical Character Reader. OCR stands for Optical Character Reader. OCR stands for Optical Character Reader. Next, OOP. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. Next, OMR. OMR stands for Optical Mark Reader. OMR stands for Optical Mark Reader. So it's a familiar, confusing one. OCR means Optical Character Reader. OOP means Object Oriented Programming. OMR stands for Optical Mark Reader. Next, PROM. PROM means Programmable Read-Only Memory. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. Programmable Read-Only Memory. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. Programmable Read-Only Memory. Next one, RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Next one, ROM. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. So ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. Next, RDBMS. Okay, it's very important. RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Next, SIM. SIM is the stands for Subscriber Identification Module. SIM stands for Subscriber Identification Module. Next one is SMTP. SMTP stands for Symbol Mail Transfer Protocol. It's a protocol. SMTP stands for Symbol Mail Transfer Protocol. Okay, SMTP stands for Symbol Mail Transfer Protocol. Next, SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So once more, SIM stands for Subscriber Identification Module. Then SMTP stands for Symbol Mail Transfer Protocol. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Next, SRAM. SRAM stands for RAM means random access memory. SRAM means static random access memory. It's very important. SRAM means static. Okay, it's very important. SRAM means static random access memory. Next, it's very important. TCP or IP, Transfer Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. TCP stands for Transfer Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. Next, it's URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Next one, it's important. VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Next, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, it's very important, common, also it's familiar. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Next, WWW. WWW stands for World Wide Web. So, dear students, please subscribe my channel. So, let's conclude my session. Thank you.